All right, what's good, guys? How y'all doing? We back. Another trade recap. It's February 25th, so Wednesday. Let's just get straight to this shit, bro. Um, I took two losses today since I already blew all the other accounts, like my actual funded. So now I'm just on trading evals. But it is what it is. Like, I'm not really tripping. They were two good trades, and honestly, I really like these. I just risked half the drawdown because I want to pass it in 2 days. I really don't want to waste time bullshitting around on the eval when I could be just making money. So let's go into market open. Let's see. Perfect. Right here. Let's go to 1 minute. So what do we have? But let's just go from here. Like, what do we have going into open? So we already swept out these highs to the left of us. We're in this big ass gap on the 4 hour. That spoils it too. But we're inside of this big ass gap. So we're not really sure if we're going to go up or if we're going to reject down here. We do have this unfilled 4 hour below, which I did like, honestly. But obviously in a situation like this, you just want to just chill out, wait, and let the market tell you what it's going to do. But we did have this 4 hour down here. If we were going to displace lower, I was definitely going to be looking for that. Because on the lower time frame too, you can see we have this kind of low resistance on the 15 minute. And on the 30 minute as well. But what do we do? Okay, cool. So we just react up. Perfect. Right? Right off the open. We just push up. We don't really bullshit around. There's no entry. Like, this is just choppy. Here, let me fast forward this a little faster. But we chop. We push up here. When we're up here, then we start chopping. We do at first we're looking for longs. We have this 5 minute gap open up right here. We trade into it and we get this, but this is just like, what is this? Like, you're gonna take an instant first dip, 5 minute right, 1 minute inverse. Don't make no sense with no bias. There's no good draw above us up here. Let me see. The only, like, the next draw is still like, let's see. I guess it was only 80 points away, but still, it's just like this structure is just not good enough. You want to see a little more, especially when we have 10 a.m. right here. Go down in the 1 minute. So we sweep this low. Boom. At first, we created this like equal low kind of situation here, which I was not messing with, right? We take that out. And then after taking that liquidity, we do get strong displacement right here through this 30-second gap. Right here, and then I long here. This is trade number one, right? So how I see it is fuck, bro. So how I see, yeah, I'm just gonna repeat it, yeah. So how I see it is if we go on the 15 minute, we're in this 15 minute gap, we're already displacing bullish. We have a 5 minute intermediate low here that we sweep out. And then we get this 30-second inversion out with all of this low resistance above. Honestly, it's just, this throws me off. Like, this is almost, it's like this looks too good to be true. Like, that might be weird to say, but it's like, since we chopped so slowly, then we finally took out a low, and now I'm going to get in the first, like, little 30-second inversion. It's kind of just, like, I like the idea, honestly. Like, I like it. I think we're going to go higher here. But, honestly, I'm not mad that I took this. This is like, if I was on an Express, I would not take this. I would only take this on an eval. Just a kind of, a little bit, like, after pumping so much, not only do we, like, okay, so 9 a.m. opens where? Here. 9:30 opens right here. Fuck. We're up 200 points. So we just pumped 200 points, but it's not like we pumped 200 points in 15 minutes or 30 minutes. It took us, what time is it now that we're taking this trade? Hello, TradingView. Hello, TradingView. It's 10:15 already. So, like, it was just, we're just chopping it. Like, this is not fast price action. This is super slow. Like, you can see all of the wicks and all of these candles is just like, we're just chopping around. We're accumulating a lot up here. Like we pump 200 points, accumulate. Pump 200 points, accumulate. Like we're not going anywhere. So taking the first 30 second is just kind of low probability, I guess would be the only way to say it. Anyways, we get instantly remanipulated. If I put my stop loss down here, I wish I put my stop loss at the bottom of this 15-minute gap. That shit would have been smart. If I'm like, oh, it's a 30-second, we might remanipulate, put it at the bottom of this 15-minute gap since I'm targeting, like, I was going to target at least a 1-to-1, or actually, where's the 5-minute gap? I was going to target the 5-minute gap right here. So maybe it wouldn't have been bad if I did 1-to-1 with that. 1-to-1 with the stop at the 15-minute low, do a break even at the 5-minute gap. That wouldn't have been a terrible way to play it, honestly, but I did just put my stop here. Got swept out. It is what it is. Let's see. Yeah, TP would have hit 1-to-1. Not really worried about that, though. Not a bad trade. I could have put my stop loss a little lower just because this is the 30-second is choppy. But honestly, I could have faded this. Then what do we see? We see like a remanipulation of the lows. Or no. My second trade was right after, actually. I hadn't turned on the 5-minute because I saw this 5-minute close and the displacement was just too clear, honestly. Let me delete that real quick. We had this 5-minute bearish gap that, if you just look at this close, it just looks good, bro. Like, this just looks good. I definitely wasn't going to hold it all the way up to these highs. But stop at the bodies right here, 1-to-1. You know what I'm saying? Break even at the high. Something like this is like no-brainer. Like, this is the strat, bro. This is literally the strat. This is literally everything. Like, this is what you look for, bro. Retrace into a 15-minute gap. We have strong displacement up if you look on the 1-minute. Ooh. Right after these candles start to go up, look. Oh, not that one. Boom. Boom. Right? So these last two candles, too, just kind of sealed the deal. Like, we're going. Like, bro, this is what you look for. But then this also just doesn't play out. So, you know, fuck me, I guess. Yeah, eval's just done on that one. Got some new evals. I guess I'll just, I need to get a fucking account I can make some fucking money on. Because, I mean, maybe I should just take an eval slow for the sake of it. But I feel like I'm past that point. I'm not like brand new. I'm just ass. I just can't control my emotions sometimes. But we're working on that. We're working on that. Yeah, don't really have much else to say. Took 2 trades. They were both decent. Not too bad. I need to update my journal. I want to make some more videos, bro. Honestly, I'm very just like, I feel like I'm very present. Like, I don't really care about what happened. And I don't really care about what's going to happen. I'm just going to do me right now and do the best I can. And both of these setups were great setups, in my opinion. 30-second, kind of whatever. Like I said, 30 seconds, kind of whatever. But this setup, I would take this probably 10 out of 10 times. I feel like this 5-minute plays out more than it does it for sure. This is literally the strat, bro. So we're just going to chalk it to the game, hit the gym later, get right, and carry on with my day. Y'all have a blessed one.